some of y'all don't. Some of y'all ain't been with you. And some of y'all won't. But listen, let me clear my throat. Oh. And today, I hope you don't mind. Let me clear my throat. Let me let it take one. Everybody here, if I have my thing, it's a selfie. Here we go. To the rhythm of the funky bass, so I can get this in just one more time to the beat. It's not a who that's what that beat is. I'm gonna pick the thing up and who that's the rap, and I can throw it up down. This time I just on the mic, so go crazy. Because I'm